Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day so far. In today's video, as you can see from the title down below, I'm going to be getting into the new MITCHEL Made by MITCHEL mystery bundle. Now I opened one of these in the summer, like ages ago, and it was the £25 bundle, and out of the products that I got in that bundle, I only use one of them. But I love an unboxing and mystery bundle. So I got this one, which is the Strawberry Cream Mini Mystery Bag. Now this cost £15. However, obviously it's got, I'm hoping, it's got the Strawberry Cream blush in it, and that cost £14 on its own. So I'm like, it just makes sense to get the mystery bundle. So this is probably going to be quite a quick video. I think there's only going to be like 2 or 3 products in here, but I'm going to open it, I'm going to swatch them, I'm going to like dab over the blush that I have on and apply it. Will it go with the very glam glittery look that I've got on at the minute, which was yesterday's video? Who knows at this point, but let's just dive straight on in. Also worth noting, I have a whole playlist dedicated to opening mystery bundles from loads of different brands. So many. I have a whole playlist. I will link it here if you like that sort of content, but let's just get into this one, shall we? Okay. So in the bundle that I unboxed in the summer, like I say, I only used one of the products out of that, and it is the blush, what shade is it in? Peach Sugar, I think. And all of the other products that are in that bundle, I don't use any of them. There was a cream eyeshadow, there was a liner liquid stuff, there was a liner pencil that was in a hot pink shade that just made me look like I've got pink eye. But I think I've got another of the eyeshadows. The problem that I had with the eyeshadow that I got in the bundle in the summer was that it didn't set. It was a really strange formula. It like stayed damp on my eyes, but this one might be different. So this is in the shade Olive Branch. Let's open her up. Ooh, it's got a little seal on it. I don't know if the one that I got in the summer had that. I like it. How do I get into it though? Ooh, that is a pretty colour. So, Olive Branch. This does actually look different than the one that I got in the summer. This looks less sticky. Like as soon as I looked at the one that I got in the summer, I could tell it wasn't going to set. So I will take a brush and I'm just going to swatch this on the back of my hand, but with a brush. Yes, this feels much better. Like even dipping my brush into this feels much better. Oh, that colour is beautiful. I love green. I mean, it matches my dress pretty well, doesn't it? That colour looks incredible. Okay, I will do a short. I will film it tomorrow. I don't know when it's going to go up. I will do a short with this and I will report back on if this sets. I mean, I'll get a fairly good idea like by the end of filming this little thing. Then, obviously there's this. But I'm building suspense here. So there's also a all smudge no budge eyeliner pencil. Now the one that I got of these in the summer, like I say, it was bright pink, made me look like I've got pink eye. It's not the look that I go for. But if this is blue, I'm gonna just absolutely lose my mind, because as much as I love green, I also love blue. I also love the packaging of all of these. Like, just look at the packaging of the box. Like, it's all shiny. It's like so well designed, and I know that that doesn't matter at all. What matters is a blue eyeliner. Oh my goodness, this colour looks incredible. Oh, it's like electric bright blue. Did it even say on it what shade this was? Evolve. It's the shade Evolve. What an incredible colour. 100% will use that. So far, I'm doing a lot better than the one that I tried out last time. And then the blush in Strawberry Cream. And I will, like I say, like dab over with my makeup sponge so that we can actually apply this. This colour looks incredible. I love a cool toned blush, and this is like Barbie pink. Oh yes, this colour. Come on, focus please. I mean, it's not even showing up. I don't know if it's because of my lights. I don't feel like that's showing up. I can see that. 100% I can see that. It's different to my skin tone. But why is it not showing up on camera, please? Oh, like that. Maybe, oh, I don't know. Let me just take my sponge and just, I might put a little bit of like concealer on just to dial down the blush that I've already got on. I'll just tap over with a little bit of the same concealer that I used on my face, the Essence Skin Loving Sensitive. Yes, so now I am looking distinctly blushless. Let's just take a couple of dots of this. I'll just put this straight onto my brush. I like to use a Real Techniques Expert Face Brush for any sort of liquid blush, truly. I just find that they're the right amount of denseness to like really pack on the colour. Oh, this colour is so nice. It's definitely more summery. I don't know if it's... No, you know what this blush will work really well for? I'm like talking over myself here. This blush will work perfectly in winter for that cold girl makeup look. I really like that. It's very soft, very subtle, which is not the case with the other Mitchell blushes that I have tried. But I don't know if it's because this one's lighter, it's like a pastel. I'm not sure how this would show up on deeper skin tones because it's so light and so pastel-y. It doesn't seem very... Is opaque the word? Like I can still see my skin through it quite a bit. I had to do 2 layers on the back of my hand there to try and get it to show up, and I'm aware it's not showing up on camera at all. In my mirror, in real life, this looks beautiful. I feel like on camera you can't see it. I don't know if it's because of my lights. I don't really know what I'm doing here, if I'm being completely honest with you. Let me try and layer this up. I also wonder how this would work on the lips. That could work well. I will try it. See, now I feel like it's starting to... I've got like a little viewfinder next to the lens, and I feel like on that viewfinder I'm starting to be able to see it. However, in real life, now I look like a clown. So maybe when I look at this footage, maybe I'll be like, wow, Millie, you are wearing way too much blush. I'll just dab over this with my sponge to try and blend it in a little bit, and let me wipe off the lipstick that I've literally just put on. I'll keep the lip liner though, or I'll try to anyway, and I'll just go straight in with this. See if it... See? That's... No, I take it back. I do think that this would show up on deeper skin tones. Oh, it's like concealer lips. I definitely thought I'd left that look in my teenage years. I'm not sure I like that on the lips. Let me try and put a bit more lip liner on. I think I just wiped the lip liner off. I wasn't expecting this to be as much of a fail Not when the first two products are ones that I would actually use. Okay, so I just took all of that off and redid it because I was just making a terrible mess of myself. The verdict is, I like it as a blush. I don't think I like it as a lip product, which is fair enough. You know, it is a blush. So let me just see. Yes, I do feel like that cream eyeshadow has set. I'm very excited to use that tomorrow. So I will report back in a short, hopefully sometime soon, what I think of that eyeshadow. The blush, I feel like in real life that looks beautiful. It's not necessarily the sort of shade that I will use in autumn, but 100% I will use that in spring and summer. I really like a baby pastel pink, so I'm so glad that I have it, and also an eyeliner that I will actually use. I am thrilled. I love blue, I love green, I love pink. I'm thrilled with everything that I got in this bundle. If there are any other mystery bundles, surprise bags, surprise boxes, etc. that you want to see unboxed and reviewed here, then do let me know. Like I say, I've got a whole playlist. I love doing them, so if there's any that you want to see, do let me know. I'm more than happy to get my hands on some of them to review for you here. If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. If you are new here, hi, I am posting 31 new videos in the month of October. Yep, I am. Yeah, it's a lot. But that's what I'm doing this month because who needs a social life, hey? So if you want to see more videos from me, you can subscribe down below. But until next time, until tomorrow, thank you ever so much for watching. Bye.